Hi there, well we're back with more Yupo. Here's one I did earlier and I've literally just cut that in half to make 2 cards. So I'm going to use our one of our Indian Flourish stamps today. Just grab myself a block to suit. I'm thinking that might, yeah, that will just do it. So let's give that a good press. Make sure it's secure. And then we're going to ink up with the archive on. So make sure that's all completely covered. And then we're just going to pop that down just in this sort of lighter section here. So give it a good press. Okay, so we've missed a tiny little bit there, but we can touch that up. I just use the edge of my smoothie. There we go. And then I'll just pop a couple of words down here on this side. I'm going to stamp off first. Just want the words to be quite subtle there in the background. And then I'm going to just use some glitter and shake that over the top. And it will hold onto some of the wet ink there and give it a really nice sparkle. There we go. Hope you can see that. But something really simple looks nice on these beautiful backgrounds that we've created earlier. Thanks guys.